These are the train tracks in Pleasant View. We gotta show them the train tracks.
There's no tracks right there yet. That's why I told you.
We're almost there. You're gonna hear people talking, but don't mind it. They're building it.
And machinery.
What happened?
And machinery.
Oh, and machinery. Whatever the fuck that means. But, yeah.
Dude, you can't hear the fucking machinery. We gotta duck down right now.
Yeah, we gotta duck down. This is so sick. Mystery.
We'll come back. There's a guy on the bridge, but you can't see him from here. He's right there. The guy's right there where my finger was. He's moving. He's moving.
I think you can see us.
We'll come back to it.
Alright. We were just running and the guy's right.
No, he's not. Alright, so we just ran. The guy saw us. And we freaking booked it. I'm out of breath, as you can tell. Theo?
Oh, hell, don't call my name.
Alright, well, me. I was scared. He looked right at us, and it really freaked me out, and I don't even know. I just ran.
The fuck, man.
He was really looking right at us.
Yeah, stone face.
Nah, I'm good.
Stone face. Anthony, come on.
What did I say?
Anything.
Say what you saw.
Some creepy guy on the bridge. He had a plumber's crack.
What's your thesis on freaking what's going on?
This guy looked
We need
at
to fucking
us,
figure out what they're doing.
and we
Yeah, we
heard
need
the
to figure
truck
it out.
coming towards us. And
Was there really a truck?
we wanna freaking find out what they're doing and building. If it's crack or something.
Jenna, I think he hopped in the truck.
He'd be here by now.
I'm out of breath.
Yeah.
If they did hop in the truck, they would have been here by now.
Yeah, I don't really.
That's
see them.
where we just came from. I didn't see anything when we ran, but neither did, well,
Supposed to be a new development.
supposedly somebody here
There's train
saw.
tracks. There's gonna be new houses here. You know?
Yeah. We'll catch you up later again. Alright, now we're going in a different spot. We're already arrived. We left the other spot where the train and the guy was, but here we are. I'm choking.
Jenny, hey Jenny.
Why are we going up there?
Jenny's number one.
You go there, yeah.
Go, hurry up, it's recording.
Anthony, climb up it. Anthony, Italian. Woo! Got to start.
I'm choking myself with my shit.
You don't
Fuck! My knee just went out. Alright, I'm back. My knee hurts because fuck it, I went out. Almost went out again and I almost tripped. Here we go. Some campsite thing.
Ow, you just
I gotta show you a,
where the hut is.
I think I dropped that bolt. Fuck.
The what?
The bolt.
About to start dipping.
Come on, girls go wild.
Yo, strip it.
I'm not joking.
I'm not joking, strip. Take it all off.
You do that, make you slow pecker and might get cancer, baby.
Fuck yeah.
This is what I do with burgers.
Are you scared?
Come on, y'all get a pot.
I want to try the video.
Oh my god, dude, these never were piled here before.
There's somebody here.
Oh.